Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll do the unboxing and review of this Stanley's 19-inch toolbox. I sourced it from Amazon for rupees 1200. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So this is the toolbox, the classic Stanley black and yellow color combination. Built quite sturdy. It has a nice heft to it when you hold it, and on the outside you get two organizers on the lid for storing small parts and consumables like electric lugs and screws. Two partitions on both sides. Just very simple hinges for these yellow lids here, and you get a sturdy foldable handle. Provision for locking using these padlock eyes, and what you get here is two sturdy metal latches that securely holds the lid in place. And no, although it does look shiny, it is not stainless steel. Here's a magnet. So this is not a stainless steel latch, guys. Anyway, they look very sturdy and built tough. As you can notice these grooves here on the top lid. The purpose is, if you have another box, the same one, you can simply stack over it, and on the base you have similar protrusions. So the box will nicely sit on top of this one. Okay, cool. So the hinge does not let the lid open more than 90 degrees, unlike my other Stanley toolbox. And you see this removable organizer tray, which you can place on either side here like this. Not the complete length, unlike the other Stanley toolboxes where you get a full length organizer tray inside. This one is a shorter one, so you can have something like a drill or a heat gun which may jut out. So you can simply place it here and you get the handle coming out through this gap here. And the box doesn't topple, guys, due to the self weight of the lid, unlike my other small Stanley toolbox, wherein if there's no contents on the inside, due to the self weight of the lid, the box simply topples to the side. And plenty of space inside for your tools. And since this is a 19-inch toolbox, it can hold even the lengthiest of your tools, like this long screwdriver, for instance. It can easily accommodate that. So this screwdriver measures about 400 mm in length. Easily store it here. And if you look at the dimensions on the inside of the compartment, you get approximately 460 mm length on the opening and about 210 mm width-wise, and depth or the height you get about 200 mm without the organizer tray. With the organizer tray, you can reduce about 40 mm. Stanley claims that the toolbox is made of high-density plastic material to withstand the day-to-day abuse. And it does seem true, because the material seems quite solid, with plenty of small stiffeners given to strengthen the material. And compared to my smaller Stanley toolbox, this one is definitely built tough, but not as tough or industrial like the Stanley's Fat Max lineup. But I'd say it's almost there for a fraction of the Fat Max's price. And the box weighs approximately 1.5 kg. So Stanley offers a 1-year warranty on the product in case the hinges or the latches or these tray organizer lids should fail. So let me go ahead and store all my tools inside so you can get an idea of what the storage space is like. Well, that is it, guys. I think it just swallowed almost all my tools, save for a few which I've already kept in the shipyard. So I'm like very impressed at this box. Of course, the more you load it, it becomes very heavy to transport. So it's not about how much this box will swallow or withstand the load. Please take only those tools which you feel you're frequently using. I primarily got this because I'm vacating my apartment and I wanted a means of storing all the tools from my pegboard, which you can see here, into at least 2 or 3 toolboxes. So since I already have this one, I have its big brother or its papa right here, and that's the biggest one I'll need because the lengthiest screwdriver it had already taken in. So yeah, that's about it. I'll be transferring some of these tools back into my smaller toolbox. I just wanted to show you that this one is capable of storing all your tools that you have. So summing up, this toolbox is a must-have if you have plenty of tools with you and you're looking for a good, well-built, value-for-money toolbox to store them and to carry them with you where you need them. So if you have more tools, keep storing them in these toolboxes or on your tool pegboard. So that'll be all, guys. I hope this video was useful and you can make an informed decision when you're buying a toolbox for your home or for your workplace. Thank you so much. I'll see you in another video. Bye and take care.